Good evening, good morning, wherever you're at in the world. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Theory. Welcome to this episode. I want to talk about Bitcoin Cash. I want to talk about Bitcoin. These coins are the mass gainers on Sunday evening, my time, so Monday, wherever you're at in the world. We're going up. We were going up on Bitcoin Cash just now, and we were clocking it at almost $296. Bitcoin SV almost at 50 US dollars, guys. So I am going to be dumping a lot of, is the time to get in on these coins. We've been talking about this on the channel for 2 years. If you don't own any of these coins by now, what are you doing? You got to get these coins as quick as possible. Because right now we're seeing a broad, I wouldn't be so excited about it, guys, if we weren't seeing a broad crypto push. If you look at some of the charts, and we're going to look at them on Bitcoin Cash, on the log charts, guys. That's what we are looking at on the log charts. So what we're seeing, guys, is a massive push here on basically all of these forks. eCash, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. These are the coins we're seeing up right now, guys. So this is huge. I mean, this is really the biggest push we've seen in a while. So please be aware that these type movements do not always happen, but they have been happening in these coins recently. But from what we're seeing here, this is not slowed down, guys. This is this has been pretty solid. So we're going to continue to watch this, continue to learn as we go. As you see, I'm just pulling up this chart. I was going to see if we could do a log graph, but it's really just better just to look at it right here. That's why I have this, guys. That's why I'm on CoinMarketCap. Look at this log graph on Bitcoin Cash. It's very simple to see. Green is up, red is not up. So as you see, this jump from 100 US dollars to $300 is one of the biggest jumps we've seen on Bitcoin Cash. That's the important part. We haven't seen jumps like this on this coin yet. We did around here, around the the hash war. We did it on the recovery. We did it a little bit with Bitcoin, but these two markets here, guys, this is the first red decoupled market on log, guys. We're not looking at linear. Look at linear. It looks totally different. Doesn't look like that big of a deal, but on log, guys, we're looking, and like I said, we're sitting at 296 US dollars, guys. So this is pretty impressive, guys. This is have been going on all week, and this is really a continued thing. We're still sitting at 296. I'm going to be honest, guys. I thought we were going to go back down to about 220. 200, and maybe see if anybody else was wanting to come into market to buy Bitcoin Cash. But with all the adoption, guys, and all the merchant stuff happening and all the stuff going on with Bitcoin Cash on the backside on development and stuff like that, this isn't to be surprised. This isn't, we're not sitting here like, oh, well, Bitcoin's back up around $300. I've been saying buy Bitcoin Cash for the longest time on this channel, guys. I was telling you to buy it at 300 before. So nothing's changed, guys. Absolutely nothing has changed. The only thing that we're seeing on Bitcoin Cash is a massive price increase. That is essentially what we've seen, because all the stuff has already been implemented, guys. Cash tokens, BCH Bull. I'm going to tag Jeremy's in this channel, guys, to go and look at Bitcoin Cash if you're not familiar with it, because this is what we're seeing right now, guys. The price is massively up, and this is to be kind of expected. I mean, we're not saying it in an arrogant way, guys, but when we tell people to look at some of these coins, there's the direct reason we're doing that, and that is simply because they've been oversold, undervalued for the last over a year. So this is the same kind of thing. These things go up and down, and unfortunately, if you're waiting on these kind of coins, they might just go straight up, and not financial advice, but this is what I'm interpreting as I look at the graph. This is the biggest jump we've seen on Bitcoin Cash. This has been one of the biggest motherfucking jumps we've seen. So yeah, we're seeing it, guys. We haven't seen this since the hash war, the recovery, and the decoupled from Bitcoin, which we never had. So this is really the essential biggest one. And if you're looking at the charts, it still looks like a great time to get in. And guys, it is. I was telling you to buy it at $1,500. So, you know, nothing's changed. Nothing's changed on my end here. We will probably continue to see this price go up. And if we don't, I will be trying to make videos explaining why. That's why I'm doing these videos, guys. It's very simple to figure out. It's very simple to figure out, guys, what's going on at this point. So, you know, this is a coin we are particularly watching. I'm going to do another video up on altcoins, simply because altcoins have been going up too, guys. So we got weekly updates, we got yearly updates, we got minute updates. And right now it's updating the price, guys. That's why you're sitting there looking at it, is because finally this coin is just going back to where it was. It's 181% up. So it's going right back up to where it was, and expect it to do what it wants. It's going to do what it wants. It's going to go to whatever price it decides to go to, as a underivative pair from BTC. From BTC. So we're looking at Bitcoin Cash, guys, and we're getting tons of stuff. I mean, is all this stuff going on? This is pulling from Twitter, I guess. Twitter, Bitcoin Cash, you know, stuff going on Twitter. Here's the cat guy, so he's on there. Bitcoin Cash Bull. All this stuff, guys, is happening on Bitcoin Cash kind of just organically, right? Nobody's having to really do anything. It's already in place. Here's the Bitcoin Cash podcast coming up here on Twitter. So I'll link that in the description box. And look at all this stuff, guys. I mean, so much fun action going on this coin, and making the world a better place one coin at a time, guys. So we're definitely looking at Bitcoin Cash, guys, because it's $296. I mean, seriously, it literally has done, guys, to give you an idea of what Bitcoin Cash has done in the last year against Bitcoin, there's your graph. There's your graph right there. Yep, and you guys can see it. So right there, Bitcoin Cash on the year chart has completely doubled, 200% from where it was at, over 200% from the low, and you know, hopefully going up from here. We just don't know, guys. We can't sit here and you know, really think too much on where the price is going. I mean, we're way down here, but to give you an idea, guys, it could be way past this previous thought of high, and it might not. But we, you know, we don't sit here and wonder too much about that. We just kind of do our thing here, and it looks like it's doing pretty damn good. So yeah, this is a video on Bitcoin Cash, guys. Take a look at it. Let me know what you think. Let me think if you think this coin is going up. It looks like it's going up. So go ahead and let me know where you think the price is going in the comment description. Let's talk about it in another video, and we'll catch you in the next video here. Later.